Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys the absolute best method for reheating your leftover pizza to replicate the fresh, out of the oven taste, like when you got it fresh from the pizza shop. So here we just have 2 pieces of Little Caesars pizza. We're going to be using the toaster oven method. This is by far the best method to closely duplicate the results. If you're in a rush for time though, this is a longer method, so I will link the microwave method that I have up that is very good as well up in the info card up there, or you can also look in the description or the comments down below if you're in a rush, because this method takes about 20 minutes whereas the microwave method takes only like a minute. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and put our pizza in there. And if you don't have a toaster oven, you can just use your regular oven, but the only thing is you just have to let that preheat, and it's a lot bigger and you have to heat up more space. But that's why I like the little toaster oven. So we're going to go ahead and set this to 300 degrees for 15 minutes. And now if you already have this preheated or something, you could do this for just 10 minutes. But since we're putting it into a cold toaster oven, I'm going to do it for 15 just to give it a few minutes to actually get to the full temperature. And we're going to start that baby. And then after that goes off, we'll be back with you. And then we're going to broil it for a few minutes. And we will be on our way to some delicious reheated leftover pizza. Be right back with you. So the timer just went off here just a second ago. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. It's nice and hot, but we're going to actually go ahead and keep this in there and just put it on broil just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Probably around like 2.5 minutes. We're going to broil that baby right at 450 just for 3 minutes. And we'll be right back with you. That'll just get that cheese nice and extra bubbly. Be right back. And now our timer just went off for the broil. Oh, that baby looks perfect. Got a nice little bit of just a slight browning on the cheese. Just, looks absolutely amazing. Oh my God, like almost as good as fresh. If not as good as fresh. I mean, look at it. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Let's get this baby on a plate. That does look really good though, and it's nice and hot. Nice crispy crunch on the crust, and let's give it a taste test. Really hot, but really good. Could only take a small little bite because it was super hot, but it's amazing, guys. Pretty much as good as fresh with a little nice crispy crust. So if this helped you out, guys, make sure you slap that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. We just recently passed 10,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 25, then 50, then 100,000 subscribers. Until next time, guys, I will see you later. Make sure you check out some of the other videos here. Like I said, here is the microwave video if you're short for time and you want to try it in the microwave. Also a great method. Go ahead and click that now. Peace out, guys. See you later.